Okay, the final tutorial we are going to explore how to use the drawable animations. Drawable animation basically we take a list of frame by frame animations like what visual here that you see on screens, and we specify each frame duration. So we change the image from frame 1 to frame the next frame and specify duration, and therefore we can see the changes here as animations. So first you have to download. After you download it from the ULS, you just need to copy paste it on the drawable, and after you done it, you have to create the animation list drawable. How can we do that? It's simply just right click on the project res, the drawable here, and choose the drawable resource file. Right click, new drawable resource file, and name it as visual like this, and press OK. So we have an empty XML, like this. So just press the code here, so we can edit the context here. So we are going to delete the selector here and then apply or write the animation list. Animations list. Just press enter and XMLNS. Yeah, sorry, we can't actually can copy paste this from other XML, I think. So let's open another XML. Wait a minute. All right, yeah, we don't have. Yeah, this one. Just copy this one, the schemes. Just copy the schemes and put it in here. Don't forget to close it. Enter. So we have animation list tag like this, and we going to set each individual frame. So we write item, right? You can delete it here, and the first item will have the durations, Android durations, and we say it as 100 milliseconds, and the first frame using the drawable of visual 1. The drawable visual 1 means that the first frame is using the visual 1. So what you need to do is just simply copy paste it 10 times, okay, and change it one by one. Visual 2, visual 3, visual 4, visual 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I believe we have visual 10. Yeah, do we have visual 10 here? Right, visual 10. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, 11 frame. Yeah, sorry, 10 base frame. So we have 10 base frame here, and we set individual duration on each frame, which is 100 milliseconds, and we are going to put it on screens. Go back to your main activity here, and then we put the new image on the button of hide me, and now you just need to choose any image. Yeah, just choose any image because we want to change it later on the property. So let's say we choose this one and move it a little bit here and apply it. Wait a minute. Apply the constraints on the button of hide me, left and right. Okay, so what you're going to do now is change this src compact property, src compact property, okay, and delete the value. It's very important. So because we want going to change it with our background property, because we want to play the animations list. So look for the search compact here, delete it, just delete it, and find the background here, and in the background you click these little buttons and click the visual here. Yeah, the add drawable slash visual. So we have this visual, and we add more buttons. Yeah, with more buttons, the run visual run here, Okay, all right, put it on left, put it on right. Okay, run weasel run, run weasel run. Okay, okay, so we set id for this button run, and open the main activity. We are going to add the listener for the button run, ptn run dot set on click listener. Okay, all right, and oh yeah, I must forget, we want to set id for the image visual. So go back here, click the image visual, and then change it into image visual like this one. Right, enter, just press yes. Back to main activity. First we have to grab the background property fall, bg equals the image visual background as throwable animations. I'm sorry, the animation throwable like this, and we check if the animation is already running. We simply stop it, or if it's not, it will start it. So it's like a toggle button. So we check if the biggie is running, is not running, and then we play it. Biggie dot start. Otherwise, we just need to stop it. So it's not run, it will start. If it's stop, it will run. It's like a toggle button here in this case. So let's try it. And first thing first, make sure that you change the intent filter on manifest back to the main activity. It works fine. And if I click to run visual run here, it will animate the list animation throwable. So it goes from frame 1 to frame 2, frame 3, frame 1, and so on. If you want to decrease the animations, you can adjust the visual XML here and decrease the durations on each individual. For example, you may have different value for the durations here to accomplish different effects. Okay, and this challenge, the new challenge here, and can you create the animation that the visual actually running from the center of the screens and go to the right of the screen off and reappear again from left and finally stop at the center again? Can you do that? And let me know if you possible to make it happen. And the final one, this is as conclude my presentations. Yeah. Warning: the animator that update the UI cause extra rendering work for every frame in which the animation runs. For this reason, using resource-intensive animation can negatively impact the performance of your app. So don't overuse it. It means that if you have UI and then you apply a lot of animations on in UI, it will have intensive CPU resource, and actually it will impact the performance of your app. So do not overuse it. Have fun with the animations, and we'll come back later with another courses, another topics. Thank you.